The first day of testimony in the Katrina Brown and Reggie Brown fraud and corruption trial is just now wrapping up. The former city council members are charged with funneling thousands of dollars from government grants and loans into their own pockets. During opening statements today, it was revealed for the first time the Browns, who were not related, had an intimate relationship. News4JAX reporter Jim Piggott is joining us live from the federal courthouse downtown. Jim, any other surprises today?
Well, Tom, court observers were telling me they were quite surprised at the way Katrina Brown is handling herself. You know, she's representing herself, and she had a number of objections that she was making to some of the questions. The judge accepted many of those objections and turned down some of them. So many were surprised by that. Here's how the day has gone so far. Many eyes were on Katrina Brown today as she presented her own opening statements. Going into court, she said she had hoped for the best.
Well, I really haven't had a lot of preparation, so, I'm kind of just going with the flow.
In court, representing herself, she spoke to the jury during opening statements, addressing them as an attorney, not as Katrina Brown. Attorney Rhonda Peoples-Waters, who is not associated with this case, says that may not play well.
She is Katrina Brown saying Katrina Brown did something. That third person telling, I don't think connected well with the jury. And you want to make sure that you take advantage of you having this opportunity to speak directly to them. And I think that point was missed.
Brown told the jury about the barbecue sauce business and how it was her father's dream. She says she did not live an extravagant lifestyle. Katrina Brown says she did the best she could, and it was not fraud. Reggie Brown's attorney, Thomas Bell, took a different approach. He told jurors that they will not hear much about Reggie Brown's involvement. Bell actually turned the tables and was laying blame on Katrina Brown.
And it was quite captivating because, of course, we heard the tale of Reginald Brown participated and did this really at the bequest of Katrina Brown, and really turned the tales more so on Katrina Brown is the person and the reason why I am here.
The government's case says they will show how both Browns were involved in funneling money from the federal and local grants and loans for their own personal use. Tyson Duva, the lead prosecutor, said this is not a case about bad business, but a case about fraud. In 2013, the Browns became partners in crime. They should be wrapping up testimony today in about 20 minutes. I hope to talk to the Browns afterwards of that. Coming up all new at 6, we're going to hear a little bit more about that relationship and what that could mean to this trial. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.